Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 15. We are going to learn about Phylum Echinodermata today. So, okay, for the content, in this slide we have first introduction of Phylum Echinodermata, second taxonomy of chart, third application of organisms in life, and the last one is ayatization, Quranic verses of Islamic perspective. Okay, so for the introduction to this phylum, echinoderms are animals that are invertebrates. The name actually means spiny skin. So there are 5 different classes of this phylum, which include starfish, sea cucumber, sea urchin, brittle star, and feather star. Okay, so for this echinodermata, they have triploblastic, which means having a body derived from 3 embryonic cell layers, which includes ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Okay, next, they also have bilateral symmetry in larva form and replaced by pentametric symmetry in adults. Okay, so for the water vascular system, the seawater enters through a porous plate called madreporic, and it reaches the radiating canals and tube feet. And for these organisms to move, they move by tube feet. Okay, and for the so for this type of phylum, they have unique features, which includes an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles, which means spiny bodied. Then they also have head absent, water vascular system present, excretory system absent, and able to regenerate, and all are marines. Okay, so for this phylum, they have 5 different classes, which includes the first one, Stelleroidea, which is starfish. Okay, so they are free living, star shaped and flattened, arms not sharply demarcated from disc, few calcareous plates in the body. Okay, so one of the applications that we know is they can treat inflammatory human diseases like arthritis and hay fever. Okay, so the second one is echinoidea, which means sea urchin. They are free living, globular, and does not possess arms. They also have numerous plates in body wall, and they are rich of source of dietary fiber. The next one is crinoidea, which means feather star. They are attached during part or all of its life by arboreal stalk, and they are star-shaped with arms but without spines. So they are able to wriggle to distract predator. So for the Holoturidia, which means sea cucumber, they are free-living, cucumber-shaped without arms and no external spines. So one of the uses of sea cucumber is they can promote wound healing. Okay, so the last one is Ophiuroidea, which means brittle star. They are free-living, star-shaped with very long arms, sharply demarcated from central disc. They also have spines and calcareous plates. Okay, this brittle star, they also can act as a defense mechanism.
Okay, so next we proceed with taxonomy chart. So the domain is Eukaryota, and the kingdom is Animalia, and its phylum is Echinodermata. And Echinodermata is divided into 5 classes, which is Stelleroidea, Echinoidea, Crinoidea, Holothuridia, and the last one is Ophiuroidea. Each classes have its own order, and each order have its own family. So for example, Toxodora ferruginea, it is from classes Holothuridia, and the order is Apodida, and its family is Chiridotidae, and the genus is Toxodora, and finally the name of the species is Toxodora ferruginea. The sea cucumber, an animal found in the ocean floor, has been used in China's cuisine for centuries, even as aphrodisiac. But it also has been known to treat a wide variety of illness, including certain types of cancer. They are not only antiviral, antibacterial, but sea cucumber have been used to treat gingivitis and gum disease. The sea animal, which resembles a large spiky caterpillar, is used as an adjunct treatment for those undergoing chemotherapy because it's very effective of mitigating the side effect of the cancer treatment. Chemotherapy is an immunosuppressive set of drugs, so it kills the cancer cell, but in the meantime, it kills your immune system. The properties of the sea cucumber that are so fascinating is that it makes your immune system run at the perfect speed. That's why it's so effective as an adjunct treatment as well as a treatment in and of itself if people decide to use a sea cucumber. Besides being immunomodulatory, sea cucumber is cytotoxic, meaning it kills cancer cells. Sea cucumber, while long used in traditional Chinese medicine, is not well known in Western medicine, even though it's been studied for the last 15 years because more oncologists use chemotherapy, radiation, and therapy as their primary cancer treatment. Most people haven't heard about anything that their doctors have not taught them about, and most doctors are not familiar with the sea cucumber. Sea cucumber can be cooked and eaten as a Chinese stew or dried meat into powder and packed into a capsule to take in pill form. So one of the fascinating things about the sea cucumber is also the sea cucumber is very high in chondroitin sulfate, which you are familiar with to treat joint pain and arthritis. Sea cucumber also have the highest concentration of chondroitin sulfate of animal, and it's used very effectively for joint pain and arthritic pain. Okay, so for the last part is ayatization of Quranic verse. So from Surah An-Nur, verse 45.
والله خلق كل دابة من ماء فمنهم من يمشي على بطنه ومنهم من يمشي على رجلين ومنهم من يمشي على أربع يخلق الله ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
The meaning is, Allah has created every living creature from water, and of them are those that move on their bellies, and of them are those that walk on two legs, and of them are those that walk on four. Allah creates what He wills. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. As we can see, there are some unique creatures in marine life. They have no legs, no hands, but they can still move, survive, can grow like other creatures. Logically, when an organism is cut into several parts, for sure it will cause fatal. But for these echinoderms, instead of dying, they will survive and even regenerate into new organisms. This shows that Allah is the greatest creature.